Good morning, afternoon and evening. Today we're making ginger tea. Start by cutting some ginger pieces. Cut them nice and thin so flavor can come out easily. Then take ginger tea or regular black tea. Put ginger and tea into the French press. Now add boiling hot water. All the way up like this. Cover with lid. Push up and down a little bit and brew for 5 minutes. Let it sit. Alright, look how it's brewing nicely with ginger there. Push all the way down now. Pour into a cup. Now let's add a spoon of honey. Mix it really nice. Enjoy your tea. Like, share and subscribe. Support the channel with a donation, please. Thank you. Much love.